Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to Suli's Hair Care channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY marshmallow root conditioner that's perfect for softening, detangling, and nourishing your hair naturally. This recipe contains shea butter, avocado oil, and our DL-panthenol for extra moisture and shine. It's smooth, it's rich, and it gives a luxurious feel to your hair. So if you're like me and you're tired of going to the store to buy conditioner and sometimes it doesn't help your hair at all, but it leaves you with itches and then all of the bad stuff is inside of the ingredients and you get tired of it, plus they're so much more expensive now. Let's get into this video. Let's start by making the marshmallow root base. So we're going to use 2 cups of distilled water. We're going to bring it to a boil, and to that we're going to add 4 tablespoons of marshmallow root. Marshmallow root is a natural hair care powerhouse. It's primarily used to provide intense hydration, detangling, slip, and scalp soothing due to its high mucilage content. It acts as a natural conditioner, strengthening the strands, enhancing shine, reducing frizz, and potentially promoting growth by coating follicles and reducing breakage. Also, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of flaxseed. Flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acid, vitamin E, and protein, which boosts growth, strengthening strands, and reduce breakage. Now it's 10 minutes later and the base of our conditioner is finished, so we're going to strain it, set it aside, and add our other ingredients. We're adding 4 tablespoons of emulsifying wax. It blends oil and water together, creates a creamy texture, and help our conditioner to spread evenly. Now after this, we're moving on to our next ingredient, which is avocado oil. We're adding 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. Nourishes the hair and adds softness and shine. Guys, if you don't want to use avocado oil, you can use any oil of your choice that your hair loves. And for our next ingredients, we're going to use 2 tablespoons of shea butter. It deeply nourishes dry hair and helps lock in moisture. And this would be our oil phase. So now we're gonna move it over to our double boiler, and we're just gonna double boil it so that way our shea butter and our wax can melt. And if your water phase, which is the base of our conditioner, if it's cooled down a little bit too much, you can also add it into the double boiler, so that way your oil phase and your water phase will be at the same temperature, because you always want both of them at the same temperature before you start combining them together. But my marshmallow root base, it was still warm. That's the reason why I didn't add it to the double boiler. And we're just going to mix this until our shea butter and our wax is finished melting. And now that it's finished melting, I am going to remove it from the stove, and back to my water phase, I am going to add 2 teaspoons of vegetable glycerin. It attracts moisture to our hair, it helps keep our hair hydrated, and it improves softness in our hair. So now I'm just adding my oil phase to my water phase, and I'm mixing it. As soon as I start adding my oil phase to my water phase, you can see that I'm mixing it already, and we're going to mix this until it start to get creamy and creamier. And at this point, I decided that I'm going to add my DL-panthenol. It helps to strengthen hair and improve moisture retention, and it adds shine to our hair and also helps to reduce breakage. If you've watched this far into the video, please remember to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and share the video to someone who you think will need it. And if you stick around until the end of the video, you'll see how I apply this conditioner to my hair. Now we're moving on to our next ingredient, which is green tea essential oils. Guys, this part is optional if you want to add essential oils into your conditioner, and this is also fragrance oil, so the essential oil and the fragrance oil is optional. if you choose to add or not add it to your conditioner. But I choose to add it to my conditioner because I needed the scent inside of it. So guys, this is our conditioner. It's rich, it's creamy, and it's luxurious. Let me know in the comment section below if you will be making this marshmallow root conditioner. And if you do make it, please leave a comment letting me know how it turned out and how it made your hair feel after you finish using it. So now that we're done making our conditioner, I'm going to pour it over into the bottle that I'll be storing it in. And before you do that, guys, please remember to add preservative to your conditioner. I did add preservative to my conditioner, but I don't know what happened. For some reason, I lost the clip of me adding my preservative to my conditioner. So I would encourage you to add 1 teaspoon of a broad spectrum preservative like Optiphen Plus or Jormel Plus, whichever preservative that you choose to use. So now I'm just covering my bottle as you can see. And guys, this is our marshmallow root conditioner. And guys, to apply this conditioner, we're going to use it on freshly washed hair. As you can see, I'm still in the shower, and we're going to take a generous amount to say, and we're going to apply it to our hair. And guys, you can see my reaction here. I'm a little bit surprised because I'm like, whoa, this is really a very good conditioner, because it's even, you can see the coil definition in my hair as I apply the conditioner to my hair. And guys, I tell you, when I put my hands through it, it it was feeling so soft already. That's how I know that my hair was loving this conditioner. So we're going to apply the conditioner to damp hair, and we're going to be focusing on the mid-length and the ends of our hair. As usual, you should avoid applying any conditioner to your scalp, because after you finish cleansing your scalp, you don't want to apply anything to your scalp again. And conditioner should not be on your scalp. Conditioner was not made for your scalp, it was made for your hair, especially the ends of your hair. And after that, we're going to leave it on for a few minutes, 5 or 10 minutes, and then you'll rinse your hair thoroughly. And guys, this is me. I'm just applying my conditioner all the way throughout my hair, as you can see. And while I'm doing it, I had the water running in the background so that the steam from the hot water can help my hair soak up the conditioner even faster. If you don't want the water to be running in the background, you can also use this conditioner as a deep conditioner, whereas you'll just apply it to your hair and then you cover your hair with a plastic bag or a shower cap, a deep conditioning cap, whichever one you have. And also you can sit under a hoodie dryer, and also that will help even more. From the heat from the hoodie dryer will help even more to get the product into your hair. So as you can see, I'm just applying my conditioner to my hair, and at the same time I'm detangling my hair, which I had already detangled my hair before I start washing my hair, but I just wanted to do it again to see how well this conditioner works and if I can detangle my hair while using this conditioner. So now this is me. I'm just rinsing out the conditioner out of my hair, and guys, I love the result that I got from this conditioner. My hair is soft, it's smooth, and it feels so hydrated, and it feels moisturized, and it was so easier to detangle, as you can see, guys. I'm loving this product. So if you make this product, let me know in the comment section below how it turned out, and if your hair loved this marshmallow root conditioner. And guys, this is me giving a length check. As you can see, my hair is growing. Yay! Yeah, I like doing this, and then I like seeing the result at the end of every month or every 2 weeks or whenever I check my hair to see if my hair has grown. And yes, it has grown, and it's also retaining length. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.